In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect OneDrive to Canva. Linking these two makes your workflow faster by letting you bring photos, videos, and documents straight from your cloud storage into your designs. No downloading or re-uploading required. Start on the main Canva dashboard while signed in to your Canva account. Look to the right side of the screen for the small plus icon. Click that, then choose Import. This opens a list of sources you can bring content from. Select OneDrive. Canva will prompt you to connect it. Click Connect to begin. A Microsoft sign-in window will open so you can link your OneDrive. Sign in to the Microsoft account that owns the OneDrive you want to use. This could be a personal, work, or school account, and continue. Next, you'll see a permission screen. Canva is requesting access so it can read files you choose to import and place them into your designs. Review the prompt, then approve to continue. If your organization manages your account, you might also see an admin consent message. Just follow the on-screen guidance provided by your organization. After you approve, Canva completes the link and returns you to the app. You'll now see OneDrive available as a source inside Import. Open it, browse your folders, and pick what you need. From here on, adding assets from OneDrive is as simple as selecting a file, and Canva will bring it into your project. This is especially helpful for commonly used items like brand images, logos, PDFs, and video clips. If the sign-in window doesn't appear, check that your browser isn't blocking pop-ups. If you're logged into the wrong Microsoft profile, sign out in the pop-up and switch to the correct account before approving. If approval fails on a work or school account, your IT admin may need to allow the app. Try again after they enable access. You can also refresh the page if OneDrive doesn't show up right away, or try a different browser if you run into persistent issues. If you use two-factor authentication, have your verification method ready to complete the sign-in smoothly. That's the whole process. Open the plus menu, choose Import, select OneDrive, click Connect, sign in, and grant permission. Once it's linked, you won't need to repeat the setup on the same device and browser unless you disconnect or clear your cookies. With OneDrive connected, your files stay organized in the cloud, and you can focus on designing in Canva.